Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the war zone. It's almost midnight, 3 minutes prior to 2026 here in Munich. The fireworks, they have started already. In fact, they started around noon when the first rocket's red glare was in the air. It was about 12 o'clock. Now it's just a little before midnight. Yeah. This is what we will see the next minutes. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. But all the smell, all the noise, all the pollution that this stuff brings. And yeah, feels like in a war zone as every year again. If I could describe the smell, it's, interesting. Here all the kids. Remember the moon? Soon there will be so much smoke in the air, you will not see the moon anymore. You can see it already. I can see it with my plain eye. All the smoke that's going in the air from a wonderful, clear night. This will turn pretty soon into a nightmare. Yeah. I'm not surprised that so many animals turn crazy on a day like this. We had the dog from some neighbors in our apartment. They went out for a concert, and this dog is so scared and so absolutely through. She's so scared, so panicky with all the sound. I absolutely understand that. And yeah, it looks beautiful, but it's such a waste of money. If there would be central fireworks organized by the city, paid by city taxes, something like that, that would be fine. I would think that's okay. But everybody shooting this shit in the air, I absolutely don't get it anymore. As a kid, this was nice. Now, as a grown-up, what a waste of money. What a waste. And nobody, seeing this, nobody can tell me that, oh, we are so poor, nobody has any money left, we cannot afford to take fugitives, we have no money for ourselves. If I see this, fuck you. We have the money to blow millions and millions of euros into the air this night. So we have enough money for everything, as long as we can afford this waste. As long as we can afford this show that's good for nothing, we have the money for everything. Yeah, it looks nice. I would be much happier if this would be the quiet life it used to be. What a shit show. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the spectacle. I'm bringing this now at least for the third, maybe the fourth year. Hope you have a lot of fun. Hope you have a happy 2026. I wish you all the best. And yeah, enjoy a happy life. Stay tuned to the channel. Become a member if you want to for as little as €5 a month. You can do that. I would appreciate. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And let's see what happens in 2026 here on the channel. Until then, have a good time. Goodbye.